Hello everyone, my name is Anu and today we'll do the next chapter of class 3 English. He is my brother. Well, this is a story of a little girl, Meena, who was climbing onto a hill and she was carrying her brother on her back. And everybody was surprised that why she was carrying her brother on her back. Now let's read the story and find out. Once upon a time, there was a small hill. A path went up the hill. It went through thick and lovely woods of pine and fir trees. People often walked on it to a holy place. So students, in this story, there was a small hill. You know what is a hill? A hill which is higher than the plains and lower than the mountains. It means we can say a short version of mountains. So once there was a hill and a path went up the hill and there was a small path, a small road which was going up the hill. It went through thick and lovely woods of pine and fir trees, and that path, that small road, it was going up the hill and it went through thick and lovely woods of pine and fir trees. It means that there was a forest, there was a thick and lovely forest of pine and fir trees. You know, there were pine and fir trees in that forest, and that small road, that path, it was going through that lovely and thick forest, right? People often walked on it to a holy place. And that road was going to a holy place, some kind of temple maybe. So many temples are built on mountains, on small hills. So there was a hill on which a small temple was made, and people used to walk to that. People used to go to the holy place or to the temple on using that small path. Okay. One day, when the sun shone high in the sky, many people were seen climbing up the hill. They were climbing slowly and carefully. So one day what happened, when it was a sunny day and sun was shining very high, sun was shining bright, what happened? Many people were climbing up the hill. So many people were there who were climbing up the hill, and they were climbing slowly and carefully. You know why? Can you tell me why they were climbing slowly and carefully? Because it was very risky to climb a hill, right? Because if you will fall, you will definitely hurt. So they were climbing. There were so many people who were climbing the hill that day because it was a sunny day, and they were climbing very slowly and carefully. A girl also climbed the hill with them. Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. She carried a small boy on her back. He was 4 years old. His hair was curly. His eyes were black, and his face was as fresh as the morning dew. So when so many people were climbing the hill, so in those people there was a girl also who was climbing the hill with them, and that girl was Meena. She was 12 years old and she has a boy on her back. She was carrying a boy on her back, and that boy was 4 years old. His hair, he was a very charming and lovely boy. His hair was curly and his eyes were black, and his face was so fresh like a mountain dew, like a morning dew. Okay. In the morning dew means you can, whenever you get up early in the morning, you see that there are some dew drops on plants, on leaves, flowers, right? And those morning dews, those are so fresh. So that the face of that child, that boy, was as fresh as morning dew. As the sunshine danced through the trees, Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily. Meena was happy. The boy was also happy. So students, it said that when the sunshine danced through the trees, well, as you know that it was a sunny day, and when the sunlight was coming through the trees, Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily, and Meena was climbing the hill very slowly and steadily, carefully. Now Meena was very happy, and the boy on her back was also very happy. A man in the group looked at Meena. He felt sorry for her. Now there was a man in that group. He was also climbing with other people, and he saw Meena and he felt sorry for her. You know, he was not happy to see Meena. He was feeling bad for her that she is such a small girl and she is carrying a boy on her back, because it is difficult to climb with Lord on a mountain or on a hill, right? So he felt sorry for her. He asked her, "My child, why are you carrying a boy on your back? Don't you feel his load?" Meena looked at him in wonder. Well, that man asked Meena that, "My child, why are you carrying this boy on your back? You know, don't you feel his load? Don't you feel heavy? Don't you, he asked her that, "Why are you carrying that boy on your back? You should be feeling heavy, you may feel his load, that why are you carrying him?" And Meena looked at him in wonder, and Meena was surprised. She was looking at him surprisingly. She could not understand him. Her brother was unable to walk. Meena asked, "Load? Of course not. He is my brother." Now here Meena, she didn't understand that why that man is asking her this question, that why are you carrying this boy on your back? She didn't understand that why he is saying so, because that boy she was carrying was her brother and he was unable to walk. Maybe he is having some problems in his legs or something else. So she said that no load, what kind of load are you talking about? I'm not feeling any kind of load, because he is my brother. I love him, right? So she was very surprised to hear the question that why are you carrying that boy? So she answered that, she answered him that no, I'm not feeling any kind of load, because this boy is my brother. Okay, and he is unable to walk and he is my brother. I love him. So I am not feeling any kind of load in carrying my brother on my back. Okay, she was a lovely and caring sister. She helps her brother always. She takes care of her brother. That's why she is not feeling his load while climbing up the hill, right? So students, this was the story, and now let's see the word meaning. First word we have understand. Understand means to know the meaning of. We can make a sentence like, I can understand English easily. Next, pure, holy. Holy means pure or blessed. Like Bible is a holy book of Christian religion, right? And we can say Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the book of Hindu religion, and Quran is the book of Muslim religion, and Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh religion, right? Next, slowly. Slowly means at a very, very less speed. Sentence we can make, the tortoise walks slowly. Next, sorry. Students, many times you say sorry to your friends, your parents. So what is the meaning of sorry? Sorry means to feel bad about something. Whenever you feel bad about something, you say sorry. So I'm sorry to keep you waiting. Climbed. Climbed means to go upward. We can make sentence like, she climbed the stairs easily. John climbed the ladder carefully. Load. Load means a heavy weight, right? Carry the load on your back. Do not load yourself with so many books, right? Now let's see the question answers, students. Where were the people going? The answer is the people were going to a holy place. What did the man say to Meena? The man asked Meena about why she was carrying a boy on her back. Question 3. Why do you think Meena was carrying her brother? Meena was carrying her brother on her back as he was unable to walk. Now you have to choose the correct answer. What went up the hill? A path. A path went up the hill, no? What is the name of the girl in the story? It is Meena. How old was Meena? She was 12 years old. And how old Meena's brother? He was 4 years old. Okay, now next. Fill in the blanks using the correct given words. As you can see, there are some words given in the help box and you have to fill in the blanks. I have done it for you. The boy fell in the pit. I sip hot milk. The kid is in the cot. My toy is in the box. The lion is in the den. The cat runs after the rat. I sit on the rag. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with the opposite of the underlined word given in the sentence. Here you can see that some words are underlined. You have to write the opposite of that underlined word. Right? The first, the rat ran in when the cat ran out. So, the opposite of in is out. The lion is big, but the ant is small. The giraffe has a long neck, but owls are short. The sun appears in the day and the moon at night. The tea is hot, but the water is cold. Trees are tall, but the bushes are small. Ram was sad, but Radha was happy. Okay, so now let's see the next. What are the difficulties that a child who can't see will face? Well, he will not be able to play with other children. He will face problem in crossing the road. He will not be able to watch television and he will not be able to work on computer. Right? There are so many difficulties that a child has to face if he is blind or can't see. And what should we do? We should always help such children. Right? Now, would you help a child who can't walk to school? Yes, I would definitely help such a child. Next, how can you help such a child and make the child feel one of you? Well, I will give him my support so that he may not feel any problem in reaching the school. I will talk with him like a good friend and I will laugh with him. In this way, I'll make him feel one of us. Right, students? Next, now optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Well, student, we should always be optimist and we should always be positive. Only then we'll be able to achieve success in our life. Because whenever we are feeling positive about something, that positivity comes into our mind and thoughts only. And in our work also. And then definitely then success will be ours. Right? So, and you know students that International Day of Persons with Disability is observed on 3rd December every year. And we should always help such people because they are special. they are people with special needs and they are very special. We should always help such kind of people, right? It gives them happiness, and to see them happy, we will also feel happy. So always be optimist and be helpful to everyone. Okay, so that's it, students. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned with me for my next video. Till then, take care and enjoy learning.